Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s squared. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. Because we don't have number 2, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. So this one we change for u. S, the s we change for this one. So tan u, that is about sine u over cosine u. So the integration of this one, we have negative ln of the absolute value of cosine u. And I will put about c. About u, that is about s squared. And this is the answer for question number 1. Question number 2, we use the same technique in here. So this one we change for u. S, the s we change for this one. Cosine u, that is about cosine u over sine u. And now we have the final answer. About u, that is about s squared. And that is the answer for question number 2. Here is the answer for question number 3. So s squared, that is about u. S, the s, that is about 1 over 2 du. So the integration of this one, that is about negative ln of the absolute value of cosecant of u plus cotan u. And then I will put about c. U, that is about s squared. This is the end. Thank you for watching.